Just their clothes.
That's
Mm-hmm.
it's music.
Supply. Ah, this is supply? Laundry to, di ba?
Yun ang mga ano niya,
Laundry.
spaces niya. Kaya madami siyang
Ayun, no, daming laundry niya, no? Wow, there's a lot of laundry to do.
ito yun, no?
Hmm.
Iron press.
Oh, that's the one. Uh-huh. Okay. You're tired? What's in here? Okay. Ironing too. Oh. Folding there. And here, ironing. Mm-hmm. That's what it looks like. And they iron. Can you press it? No? Just kidding. Just kidding. Ah. I know. Oh, that's the way they do it.
Maghapon ka magka-press.
You cannot go inside. Not supposed to go inside. 1984. I had to run 3 presses at once. Not only was it hotter, and heck, we were right over the propellers. The vibrations run right up our legs. Really?
Oh, ito pang tablecloth, bedsheet,
Mm-hmm.
mangle.
Laundry mangle, that's what you call it. Uh-huh. Yep.